In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to restore deleted boards on monday.com. Start by logging into your monday.com account. Once you're in, direct your attention to the left-hand sidebar. Here you'll find your workspace name, which typically reflects your team or company name. Click on this to see your current workspace. It's crucial to ensure you're exploring the right workspace where your board originally existed. If you're unable to locate the board in the anticipated workspace, remember that each workspace is equipped with its own recycle bin, so it's always a good idea to check other workspaces you're a member of. Next, let's move to the recycle bin. On the same left panel, scroll down until you see your profile picture situated at the bottom left corner. Click on it, and a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, select Recycle Bin. It's important to note that the recycle bin acts as a temporary storage space for all your deleted items. This includes boards, dashboards, work docs, and items. They remain here for a period of 30 days before they are permanently erased, so timely recovery is essential. Once in the recycle bin, you'll be greeted with a list of all the deleted items. To efficiently pinpoint your desired board, make use of the search bar located at the top. Simply type in the name of your board, and it should appear. Additionally, filters can further streamline your search. These filters allow you to narrow down results based on item types, such as boards, dashboards, work docs, and items. Contextual details like the board's name, the individual who deleted it, and the date of deletion will be on display to assist you in your search. Upon finding the board you'd like to recover, hover your cursor over it. You'll notice a Restore button on the right side. Click this button, and just like that, the board will be restored to its original workspace and location. The best part is that all items, updates, and any automation associated with the board will also be reinstated. Finally, it's time to verify that the restoration process was successful. Head back to your workspaces list on the left sidebar. Navigate to the workspace where the board was originally hosted. Check to ensure that both the board name and its entire contents are fully restored. If for some reason you can't see your board right away, try refreshing the page. Occasionally, it takes a few moments for the restored board to reload. And there you have it, a seamless guide to recovering your boards on monday.com. This process ensures your data's safety and allows you to quickly remedy any accidental deletions. Thank you for watching, and happy organizing on monday.com.